once again, like it is the other day, we've got to walk across the bridge. Go over to by the eye, because I'm pretty sure that building there, so if you can see it, it says Shrek Adventure. Pretty sure that's also where it all is. Cool. Now that over there, that's the sort of site you want. Over there. What?
What do you think people would do if I just jumped into the water?
I don't know.
No, other people.
Maybe they'd be like, oh my god.
Yeah, but they were all singing in different languages, so they wouldn't be singing that.
Yeah? Just in a different languages?
Do you reckon someone would jump in after me? Yeah, they would.
Yeah, I'd have to, unfortunately. I don't want to ever take a swim in the Thames, if I'm honest. It's dirty, there's loads of dead bodies in there.
Yeah, that actually looks nice.
That's some music going on. But but I think we're about to go over to like one of the most like touristy areas going. Yeah, we're near the bridge. The sea life here. Got a Paddington thing down the bottom. Seems like one of the bigger ones is Shrek's Adventure, which currently also houses the dragons. Alan's in Shrek's car here. They'll bite you. And here's the London Dungeons, and this is where we're going. And down Jack the Ripper. We got the plague. Torture chambers. Church of the Witch, the tavern. And I think the thing we are hoping to see the most. I think the thing we're waiting to see the most is, what is it, eh?
Sweeney Todd.
Mrs. Lovett's meat pies. Right to the front of the eye. Decent. I would, from what I've been told, I've never been on it. Maybe one day. From what I've been told. I mean, look at it, it's packed. It's a Monday morning, and it's got to be one of the busiest attractions right now. And it doesn't even move that fast, it's barely moving. I don't like the idea of being crammed into a capsule with a load of people I don't know. Yeah, we're looking for breakfast, we're looking for food, sustenance. I mean, look at the prices of some of this place. Like.
For the tray, what's your favourite chocolate? Milk, white, or dark?
And they've been hooked in because it's strawberry. And they've been hooked in because it's strawberries. Yeah, like, look at it. It's a giant capsule. You pay a lot of money to go on that giant capsule. And from my London knowledge, we come to London quite regularly. We come a good couple of times a year for various different things. I would say that's not even. Unfortunately, it's not always some of the greatest sights you can see in London either. You can go here that then like £8.50 for a hot dog. I don't think so. You can go to like other places in London and find better views of a city skyline. Like we've stayed over in the O2 before, and that at night pales in comparison. Like, it is fantastic. But I'm just coming over here and zooming in on this building. Not that building, that building. Because if I've got my thing right, that is or used to be MI5. Which is pretty cool.
Oh, there's a pub. On a boat.
There's a what?
There's a pub. On a boat.
A pub on a boat.
On the Thames.
On the Thames. Thames. Pub on a boat. On the Thames as a river.
No, you better figure that out.
I'm not editing that out. I'm not editing that out. The Thames. Okay.
The Thames, I actually said. You put them words into my mouth.
But yeah, that is cool and all. But it's also not at the same time. It's the air ambulance. It's almost like I planned it for this video, but it's not. So we start heading over to the London Dungeons, and when we get there, Anwen is a bit frightened to go in. I've got to say, going through it with Ava and myself, it can be a little bit on the air of scare fest when you're in there. Me and Ava absolutely loved it, but it just wasn't for Anwen, and I can see why. The Witch's Trial was absolutely brutally scary. I loved it. Mrs. Lovett lived up to be amazing, but Anwen and Hannah, they quickly went over to the Shrek's Adventure. Our tickets were golden for both, so if you are with young children and you think the scare's a little too much, these are some of the pictures that Hannah was able to take of the Shrek's Adventure. Me and Ava weren't allowed to take any photos or videos of the London Dungeons, but take my word for it, both exhibits are fantastic. Both are worth a chance to go in and play. Going down to Selfridges. Ultimately, spend £30 and receive a complimentary ball.
But that is not worth £30. I got them for like £10.
Pretty cool, but look at that. And of course, we are at Jellycat. So many Jellycat sausages going around. So these are the toys for the fish and chip area. And then they've got the fish and chips over here. You can sort of see it. Fortunately, we couldn't get a booking, I don't think. We tried. Just by chance we ended up in Selfridges to have a look.
This, it comes with stuff that I wraps it, but in the oven, when you make something, you know how you have to like put an LED light on it to like make it harden? You have to put it in the oven, turn it on, and they will like have LED lights.
Can I have a look at the Jellycat?
The mini bears thing reminds me of the LOL dolls.
Yeah, they are like LOL dolls.
Okay, yeah.
Kind of chocolats and baguettes. Well, we were in Selfridges trying to find our boo-boo toys or whatever they're called. It's a trend, and we really wanted one. We will find them, but we didn't this time around. it was a fantastic weekend in London, and honestly, if you guys want to comment and ask questions, please comment below. We're happy to answer anything. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe, really help us out. Wales to Wembley over the past 4 days has been fantastic. Here's some of our best bits. Alright, we're gonna get ready.
Yo, make some noise, Portugal, come on.
It's heavy.
And I want you, I need you, oh God. I need Wembley Stadium! These beautiful things that I do. Thank you so much. Have a good night, everybody.
Thank you for joining us on this amazing 4-day adventure. Subscribe to keep track and follow us on our next adventure. Until next time, guys, thank you.